Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at three more altcoins that are currently on the run or are predicted to be on the run as Bitcoin was hitting all-time highs this past week. Obviously, we've seen a pullback during the weekend. This trend could push these mid-cap and low-cap coins to continue to trend on higher. So we're going to be looking at some altcoins. Before we get into these altcoins, let's just take a quick look and see what Bitcoin is doing. So in the past 24 hours, it's down about 3.5%, trading at around 55,000 right now. Ethereum's at 2,100, and then Dogecoin. You guys already know we're going to be talking about Dogecoin at some point in this video. Currently at around 38 cents, up about 17.5% in the past 24 hours. And there are some talks that, people are going to try to get it to a certain price because the date is going to be 4/20/2021. So with that being said, guys, let's get into this first altcoin. So the first altcoin on our list is going to be Polkadot. So this one, ticker symbol DOT. This one is right at $33.30 right now. It's down about 12% in the past 24 hours, hitting highs up here of about $38, almost $39 or so. If we take a look at the market cap, 31.2 billion, volume 3 billion in the past 24 hours. Circulating supply, 931.2 million coins, so a lot of coins, almost 1 billion coins traded. They almost have over 1 billion coins in supply. So right here in the past week, this one's down actually about 17%. In the past month, about 12%, but in the past year, this one is up over 1,100%, with the all-time obviously right here still being at the same price as it was right here from August 20th, 2020. So up over 1,000% in the past year or so, but down in the past month or so. It hasn't been continuing, been able to break through. Now up here when it was around $48, it was up for the month, but it did make this pullback right here. So we're going to be looking forward to this one and see what happens in the long term with Polkadot. So let's take a look at what they do and what they are. So Polkadot is a software that seeks to incentivize a global network of computers to operate a blockchain on top of which users can launch and operate their own blockchain. In this way, Polkadot is one of a number of competing blockchains aiming to grow an ecosystem of cryptocurrencies. Other notable examples of which include Ethereum, Cosmos, and EOS. So right here, Polkadot launched in 2020, so it's pretty new, I guess you could say. It's only been out for a year, so it's among one of the newest, and it could introduce a number of novel technical features towards its ambitious goal. Now, to begin, Polkadot is designed to operate two types of blockchains: a main network called a relay chain, where transactions are permanent and users created networks called parachains. Now, parachains can be customized for any number of uses and feed into the main blockchain so that parachain transactions benefit from the same security of the main chain. With this design, the Polkadot team contends that transactions can be kept secure and accurate using only the computing resources required to run the main chain. Now, users, though, gain the added benefit of being able to customize many parachains for many different uses. Now, the Polkadot team believes this design will let its users perform the transactions more privately and efficiently. Now, creating blockchains that don't disclose user data to the public network or that otherwise process a greater number of transactions. To date, Polkadot has raised roughly $200 million from investors across two sales of its DOT cryptocurrency, making it one of the most well-funded blockchain projects in history. So if we take a look down here, how does it work? Well, the Polkadot network allows for the creation of three types of blockchains. The relay chain, we can take a look right here what it does. Then we have the parachains and then the bridges as well. Down here it tells you what the relay chain does. So this system allows anyone to who stakes DOT by locking the cryptocurrency in a special contract to perform one or more of the following roles necessary to its operation. Now, validators, nominators, collectors, and the fishermen. Down here, the Polkadot governance. So these three types of Polkadot users can influence the software's development. These include DOT holders, the council, the technical committee as well. So what makes it different than Ethereum, obviously? Well, given they share a high-profile founder, there has been much speculation about what makes Polkadot different than Ethereum. Well, indeed, Polkadot and the forthcoming major update to Ethereum, known as Ethereum 2.0, share many similarities in design and operation. Now, both networks operate a main blockchain where transactions are finalized and allow for the creation of many smaller blockchains that leverage its sources. Both technologies also use staking instead of mining as a means of keeping the network in sync. Now, research is ongoing on how transactions between the networks could be more interoperable. Now, Parity, for example, has developed technology designs for users who may wish to deploy applications leveraging Ethereum's code in the community, but that would run onto Polkadot. Lastly, developers can use Polkadot's development framework to simulate a copy of the Ethereum blockchain that can be used in their own custom blockchain design. So a lot of people say they're very similar to Ethereum, so they're thinking, Ethereum is going to continue to run and take all their profits, I guess you could say. Everybody's going to go to Ethereum because it's more known. Well, that could be the case, but Polkadot is pretty new, if you want to ask me, in the past year or so. So this one has a lot of potential. I mean, it's only up about 1100% compared to some of these other coins, so it has more potential. 31.2 billion market cap. It's not a meme coin like Dogecoin, obviously, so the market cap is a little bit less actually than Dogecoin, but I think that this one could easily be trading at around 100 billion market cap in the future, especially if the whole cryptocurrency space continues to boom on higher, with Bitcoin continuing to hit new highs almost every single month in the past year or so. So definitely Polkadot is one to add to your radar to see what happens in the near future. So guys, if you made it this far into the video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 200 plus likes on this video. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. We make a video every single day on this channel. Leave a comment below. What cryptocurrency are you buying right now? What cryptocurrency should we discuss on the channel? You guys leave a comment and I'll discuss it in the future videos as well. And if you guys want to sign up for eToro, there's going to be a link in the description and in the comment below. Get your $50 when you sign up and start trading. And if you guys want to sign up for Webull, you can get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800 when you sign up for Webull right now. Now, before we get into the second altcoin, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin real quick. We're just going to be covering Dogecoin as it is one of the most popular coins right now in the market. So Dogecoin, in the past 24 hours, this one is up about 19%, currently trading at around 38 cents. We made a video actually on this one on Monday as well, and it was trading, in the 30s, around the 30s on Sunday night. So this one has been, continued to boom on Monday, up to about 43 cents, early morning trading, and then we saw a pullback, and then it, stayed around this 40 cents area back and forth with a slight pullback towards the end of the night. Market cap still close to about 50 billion. Volume is still massive, over 31 billion coins traded, and obviously the circulating supply 129 billion coins. So Dogecoin is still roaring hard, it's just making highs and consolidating around a decent price. I mean, it's still up huge if we take a look in the past week, over 435% up in the past week, which is massive. And some people are saying that it could continue to go higher. In my opinion, I think it definitely could. Not because of some type of valuation that it has, but because of the meme, I guess. Right now, we live in the world of memes, I guess you could say technically. So we've seen a lot of crazy stuff happen in 2020 and 2021, and it's just going to continue. I think that there's a lot of influencers out there that have a lot of power where they literally just, shoot out a tweet or say something on social media, and these coins just start to roar on higher, go up 100, 200, 300% overnight, which is crazy to think about how much manipulation there is out there in the market as well. Some of it you can't control, but it's crazy what big influencers can do right nowadays, which can be a positive for some lucky investors that just threw in money and were like, okay, this is a meme coin, let's see what happens. I'm throwing in $100. Next thing you know, a year later, that $100 is worth like $7,000 or something like that. So Dogecoin, definitely more potential to 2x at least in 2021 as the crypto space is booming. So let's get into the number two crypto, guys. So the number 2 crypto is going to be Binance Coin, so BNB. So this one right here, a very hot one. A lot of you guys know this one. It's a very popular coin. So this one is trading at around $485 right now. In the past 24 hours, it's down about 1%. In the past week, it's actually down 19%. And then in the past month, it's up about 83%. Past year, over 3,100%, obviously. And then obviously on the all-time, that's just a massive number right there. So this one, we see it, it was down here around $200 in the beginning of March or end of March. Went up here to highs of about 500 and, a little bit over $500. Then we saw this pullback down all the way to about 400. So right now we're in a, down market, but that could turn around very quickly. If we take a look at the market cap, 74.5 billion, volume 7 billion coins traded in the past 24 hours. And then the circulating supply, 153.4 million Binance coins. So let's take a look at what Binance does. So this one, it is a cryptocurrency that can be used to trade and pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. So Binance Exchange is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world as of January 2018. So right here, let's take a look. So users of Binance Coin receive a discount in transaction fees on Binance Exchange as an incentive. BNB can also be exchanged or traded for other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc., etc. Binance Coin was created in July 2017 and initially worked on the Ethereum blockchain with the token ERC-20 before it became the native currency of Binance's own blockchain, the Binance Chain. So the uses of Binance Coin, what can you do? So trading, you can do some trading with it. Binance Coin can be traded for other currencies on various exchanges, depending on the restrictions, obviously. Now, we can do transaction fees on the Binance Exchange as well. Credit card payments, payment processing, booking travel arrangements, entertainment purposes, investment purposes, and even loans and transfers, which is, pretty cool. So if we take a look down here, Binance Coin was launched with the initial coin offering in July 2017. Now, here's the brief breakdown on how BNB token were initially distributed. Founding team, 40%, 80 million BNB. Down here, we have the angel investors at 10%, 20 million BNB, and then the public sales of 50%, 100 million BNB. So all of the 100 million BNB tokens available for the public sales were sold during the ICO at 15 cents per token. Therefore, Binance raised a total of US 15 million in Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is huge. So from that 15 million that was raised, 35% was allocated to upgrade the Binance platform exchange system. 50% was for Binance branding, marketing, and education of new innovators, and the remaining 15% was used as a reserve in case of any emergencies or unprecedented circumstances. Wow, so that is crazy right there. So down here, BNB burning, as mentioned in the Binance white paper, every quarter, Binance uses 20% of its profits to buy back and burn Binance coins, so destroying them completely. Binance has consistently performed quarterly burns, the latest being the 13th quarterly burn on October 17, 2020. Binance will continue to perform quarterly burns until it buys back and destroys 100 million Binance coins, 50% of the total supply. Now, the practice ensures that the supply of the Binance coin remains finite, making it scarce and more valuable. So that's actually very, very interesting. I like that. I like that they're going to be burning these coins every single quarter until there's only 100 million coins left, which is actually, amazing. I mean, that means that out of the 200 million coins available, now there's only 153 million left. And once we get rid of another 53 million, there's only going to be 100 million of them, ever. So that makes the supply and demand situation high for Binance coin. Just like we have a Bitcoin, only 21 million Bitcoins will ever be mined. So supply and demand type situation, once again, if a lot of people want it and there's not enough supply, the price is going to continue to go higher because people are going to be, willing to pay more for that coin. And that's why I think that Binance coin has a lot of opportunity, especially because of that situation as well. So this is just another positive, obviously, in my opinion, that I'm seeing with Binance. And last but not least, the number 3 altcoin on our list is going to be Uniswap. So this one is going to be UNI. And if you guys made it this far, smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. Let's get 100 or 200 plus likes on this video. So this one, Uniswap, is at a market cap of 16 billion. Pretty small market cap. In the past 24 hours, traded around 135.9 million coins. And then the circulating supply, over 500 million coins are in circulation. If we take a look, this one's trading at about $30.65, down about 5% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, it's up about 2.5%. And in the past month, it's up about 2%. In the past year, almost 900% higher. And then obviously on the all-time, as the coin was out in 2020, it's still up about 900%. So this one still has plenty of room to grow. This could easily in the future be 160 billion market cap. So it could potentially 10x very, very easily and be a $300 coin. So let's see what Uniswap does. So Uniswap is a leading decentralized crypto exchange that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, obviously the vast majority of crypto trading takes on, place on the centralized exchange such as Coinbase and Binance. So down here, if we take a look, for example, if you want to sell one Bitcoin at a price of 33,000 on a centralized exchange, you need to wait for a buyer to appear on the other side of the order to book, to looking to buy an equal or higher amount of Bitcoin at that price. The main problem with this type of system is liquidity. So, which is this context refers to the depth and number of orders where are on the order book at any given time. There's a low liquidity. It means traders may not be able to fill their buy or sell orders. Now, another way to think of a liquidity, imagine you own a food stall in the street market. If the street market is busy with stalls, owners selling goods and people buying products, it would be considered a liquid market. If the market was quiet and there was little buying and selling going on, it would be considered a narrow market. So what is Uniswap? Uniswap is a completely different type of exchange that's fully decentralized, meaning that it's owned and operated by a single entity and uses a relatively new type of trading model called an automated liquidity protocol. So Uniswap platform was built in 2018 on top of the Ethereum blockchain, the world's second largest cryptocurrency project by market capitalization, which makes it compatible with the ERC20 tokens and infrastructure such as wallet services like MetaMask and my Ether wallet. So Uniswap is also completely open source, which means anyone can copy the code to create their own decentralized exchanges. It allows users to list tokens on the exchange for free. Normal centralized exchanges are profit driven and charge very high fees to list new coins. So this alone is a notable difference because Uniswap is a decentralized exchange. It also means users maintain control of their funds at all times, as opposed to a centralized exchange that requires traders to give up control of their private keys so that orders can be logged on an internal database rather than be executed on a blockchain, which is more time consuming and expensive. Obviously, by retaining control of the private keys, it eliminates the risk of losing assets if the exchange is ever hacked. Now, according to the latest figures, Uniswap is currently the fourth largest decentralized finance DeFi platform and has over 3 billion worth of crypto assets locked away on its protocol. So how does it work? Uniswap runs on two smart contracts, as an exchange contract and a factory contract. These are automatic computer programs that are designed to perform specific functions when certain conditions are met. In this instance, the factory smart contract is used to add new tokens to the platform, and the exchange contract facilitates all token swaps or trades. Any ER20 based token can be swapped with another on the updated Uniswap v2 platform. So this is pretty cool. I think Uniswap has some major potential for the long term. Like I said, this one could easily become 160 billion market cap in my opinion in the long term, especially as we see, like I said, Bitcoin continue to rise higher and higher. It's also pushing these other coins to move on higher as well. If we take a look at some of these coins, they're up hundreds and thousands of percents in the past year or so, as we're just getting started in the crypto space. This is just the beginning in 2021. If we, I bet you if we take a look in 2040 or 2050, cryptocurrency is going to be so far ahead than it is right now. And a lot of people are going to be looking back and saying, wow, I wish I wouldn't have missed out on crypto and would have invested a little bit into it at least, even though it could be possibly a gamble. You have to, weigh out your risks. Is the risk worth the reward, I guess you could say. So, obviously there's always going to be a risk with everything, but especially in the crypto space right now, because, there's not a lot of people that are feeling that it's safe, but a lot of people are definitely into it. So these are the three altcoins that we're going to be discussing in this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy these altcoins. Obviously, we've seen Bitcoin continue to pull back in the past couple of days, which could be a positive sign because, it needs some healthy breathing area so it can, trend on back higher. So this pullback is a good sign. It could push it back higher in the near future, obviously. So it needs a breather, in my opinion. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about these altcoins? What altcoins are you buying right now? And which ones do you think I should discuss in the videos to come? Go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 200 likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. Links are going to be in the description for that. If you want to sign up for eToro and get your $50 when you start trading, links are going to be in the description for that. You can trade your cryptocurrency on that as well. And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all, my opinion. So none of this is going to be financial advice. This is just opinion based. So before investing or doing any type of trading, make sure you speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoy this type of content, and I hope to see you guys the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye.